In this video, we are going to study about democracy. The objective of this video is to aware the students regarding importance of democracy. What constitutes democracy? What is its importance from the point of view of the role of individuals, and what exactly can an individual get if he perform his role well in society? This also aims to make the individual understand the different aspects of democracy and its implications in overall development of the state. Actually, this topic is introduced in the syllabus from the point of view that all students upon entering into the colleges enroll themselves as a voter and encourage and enthuse other members of the society to participate not only in election process but also electoral and political process in general. Now you see the meaning of democracy. The word democracy is derived from the Greek word that is demos and kratos. The demos referring to the people, although the Greek originally used this to mean the poor or the many, and kratos means power or rule. See the meaning of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. The Abraham Lincoln's famous definition about democracy is that democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Actually, there are many meanings of the democracy in that a form of government in which the people rule themselves directly and without the need for professional politicians or public officials. Or we can say a system of welfare and redistribution aimed at narrow social inequalities. Or a system of decision making based on the principle of majority rule. So there are many meanings of democracy. Now see the features of democracy. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those who elected by the people. A democracy must based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. See the another features. A democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' right. The opposition parties are allowed to function freely before and after the elections. The democratic governments are based on fundamental principles of political inequality. Merits of democracy. A democratic government is a better government because it is more accountable form of government. Democracy improves the quality of decision making. Democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflict. It is suitable to countries like India. India having diversity of languages, religions and cultures. Democracy in India made it possible to keep unity in diversity. In a democracy, no one is a permanent winner or loser. Democracy is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens because it is based on the principle of political equality, on recognizing that the poorest and least educated have the same status as the rich and educated. Now see the demerits or drawbacks of democracy. Ordinary people don't know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. So, we will see distinguish between democratic and non-democratic government. First see the democratic government. Democracy is the best form of government as the rulers are accountable to the people and have to fulfill their needs. But in case of non-democratic government, the rulers are not accountable to the people and their needs. In democratic government, people elect their rulers and have right in decision making. But in non-democratic government, people do not elect their rulers and have no right in decision making. The parliament is a separate body and has no interference of army in case of democratic government. but the parliament cannot pass a law about the army without the consent of the chief of army in case of non-democratic government. Any citizens can aspire to contest election for any post irrespective of his or her caste, religion, socio-economic and educational background, which means the right of the vote is available to all citizens. But in non-democratic government, the citizens of the country have no right to vote. Democracy is based on consultation, and in democratic government people enjoy their right of decision. But in non-democratic government is based on dictatorship. The rulers does have what he wishes. In democratic government, there are free and fair election. Election offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. In a non-democratic government, elections are either not held, and if held, they are not fair enough. Rather, they are imposing. There is a freedom of expression and people enjoy their fundamental rights in case of democratic government. There is no freedom of expression and people do not enjoy their fundamental rights in non-democratic government. So the example of democratic government is India, and Saudi Arabia, Zimbabwe are the non-democratic government. So we have taken a small idea about democracy. Thank you.